1624 Olive Palm Circle. We have a satellite dish. That's tiled. So a little coat, tiny little coat closet right off the front. And then we have the garage. LiftMaster. Pretty straightforward. The wall, it's super dark in here, so it's really hard to tell exactly what I'm looking at, but not the best paint job, and it's looking bluish gray, but really not the best paint job. Counters are gorgeous. They did paint the hinges on the cabinets, and you know, that's prefer they don't do that, but it's not a big deal if they do. Probably remove that. We don't like the liability of having mirrors a lot of times, but that's the property manager's call. So here's the laundry. And obviously it's a dual-sided fireplace. They've capped off whatever lighting was there before. So you have screens, security bars, and solar screens and blinds.
I took the shower here. I mean, seriously?
Oh, that's interesting. That would be nice if they put in custom. You could use that space a lot easier.
Yeah, it's only a 2-bedroom, right?
Yeah, it's a 2-bedroom with a den. I haven't quite figured out what the den is, though.
I think it's a third out there.
Really?
I think.
Okay, that's definitely, I wouldn't call it a den. Wow.
This is the living room, that's the dining room.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's
Yeah. Okay, that's that. So as Samantha was pointing out, either this or that is the den. So really it's just a 2-bedroom.